I get why they have this during winter. It feels like a warm hug, like the milk and how rich it is. They had this scent of cinnamon and the toppings. Like it actually really feels so nice. Hi everyone, and Merry Christmas to you all, or soon to be Christmas, and welcome back to Kiki's Global Flavors. My name is Kiki. Today we are going to be making Sahlab. Sahlab is a drink that is enjoyed over very many countries in the Middle East, in Turkey, Greece, Palestine, Arabic countries, and it is mostly enjoyed during winter. So I'm very excited to see how this turns out and to enjoy this drink with you over this Christmas period. Our main star is also milk, and we have some coconut. So we have a milk and cornstarch blend, and then we have a lot of toppings or fillings on top. So ideally, in the origin of this drink, it would be made using Salep powder, but cornstarch is something that you can use to replace that. I have some vanilla extract, which will also create my base. I have some cinnamon, some sugar, some raisins, and some chocolate that has some nuts. So let's start. An interesting fact about Sahlab is actually Sahlab means delicate orchid. So that shows you how delicate this drink is. Also, this is actually enjoyed by Palestine Christians. So that is how it makes its way in this Christmas period. So we're going to be learning a bit more as we start. So here I have my milk. I'm going to combine, this is very easy to make, guys. So I'm going to be combining my milk, my cornstarch, my sugar, and my vanilla extract, and whisk that over heat for around medium heat for around 3 minutes. So I need to continue whisking. We say this drink is in a couple of countries. In Turkey, they call it Salep or Salep. So it's the same thing sort of, but in Turkey they call it Salep. So you can actually, it's a drink that you get to smell, you get to drink, and also get to chew, because we add toppings, and for that reason then you also get to chew it. On this side where I have my coconut and my cinnamon and raisins and my other toppings, I'm going to use them when we've already completed the process. Our salad is ready. It smells so nice. So I can't wait to taste this and tell you whether you should go ahead and try the recipe. So we're just going to go ahead. So it's hot, but manageable hot. I like my hot drinks hot, not warm. I get why they have this during winter. It feels like a warm hug, like the milk and how rich it is. They had this scent of cinnamon and the toppings. Like it actually really feels so nice. So especially on a cold day. So I'm just going to go in just to verify. So good, guys. It's actually very filling also, because of how thick and creamy it is. So just go ahead and try this. over this Christmas period with your family while you're hosting your relatives and your friends, and let me know how this simple and quick recipe goes for you. Bye. Merry Christmas.